Hi everyone. First of all, welcome to Fundamentals of Citrix Cloud course. My name is Naresh. I am the instructor for this course. If you are someone who is completely new to Citrix Cloud platform, or if you are someone who has a basic understanding of Citrix Cloud, this course is for you. I have designed this course in such a way that we are going to discuss the fundamentals of cloud computing first, and then we are going to discuss about Citrix Cloud, and then we are going to discuss about various critical features that we have in Citrix Cloud, and then we are going to discuss about the most critical services that we have in Citrix Cloud platform. By the end of the course, you will be quite comfortable to manage critical features and also services in any Citrix cloud environment. Okay, so I also wanted to share that I have shared a lot of real-time tips and tricks in the middle of the videos. So if you enroll to this course, you will also get an opportunity to learn about scenarios from the real-time point of view. So I am really looking forward to meeting you in the course. So if you want to get enrolled, please click the enroll button and I will see you in the course. Bye bye.